This is awkward pose, also known as chair pose, Utkatasana. Step your right foot to the right. You want your feet exactly hip width apart. We have a little trick in hot yoga where we take our hands between our toe bones. Make sure that they're, about just right or a little bit wider. Toes in just a little bit, heels out just a little bit so the feet are parallel. Nice and tall spine again. Inhale, bring the arms up straight out in front. All 5 fingers together, and you don't want to pull the arms forward. You want to keep the arm bones in the shoulder sockets. Take a deep breath, belly pulls in, and on the exhale, sit into an imaginary chair. Stick your booty back, and then you have a nice C curve in the spine, and that builds a lot of strength in the low back. Also, lots of strength in the core. Arms are strong. Don't let them just hang out there. You want to squeeze those fingers. Lengthen the neck, gaze straight forward, concentrate, 1 point. Sit down a little more, weight back, upper body back, hold it, change. Inhale, come on up, good work. Come all the way up in the tippy toes, as high as possible, like you're on imaginary stilettos. Way up, you'll have to lift that pelvic floor, grow through the crown. Take a deep breath, strong arms, bend your knees and lift your heels. Spine straight, back flat. Concentrate, 1 point, lots of determination. Come down as far as you can, not with the hips below the knees, however. Lift the heels, spine straight, strong arms, strong, determined gaze, hold it, and then slowly come on up as slow as you went in. Good work. Lift the heels up 1 inch for the third part. Don't even think or blink. Take a deep breath, press the knees and thighs together, draw the belly in and up again, and on the exhale, with a flat back, straight spine, slowly coming down, pressing those thighs and knees firmly together, straight spine like you're sliding down an imaginary wall. Come down until your hips are a few inches off the heels and the hips are slightly above the knees. Arms are still strong, belly is firm, whole core is strong. Press those thighs together, hold absolutely still. If you can, lift up a little bit higher, hips off the heels, and then slowly come up, a slow elevator, as slow as you can go, straight spine, and then feet together and arms down.